Alright, this is my 1978 Pearl. It is about to go off. Got the other part of the collection. That clock just went off. This one's about to go too, but this should go first. Quick fact, it is has a Hermle movement inside of it, and it's got ergos chime rods, which I find kind of weird. Anyway, any moment now. And there goes the Varicron. There will be a video on this clock soon. It needs work. I can show you the chimes. It does chime, but it needs a lot of work. And I mean a lot. Get in the mechanism here and... So yeah, it's doing that, let me push this back. Okay, let's make it do Westminster. So yeah, that's it's a 2-chime clock. I believe the other melody on it that I just showed you is some kind of weird version of Westminster, but it is a French clock. I don't know who makes it, but apparently it's called a guy rod clock. But yeah. Anyway, that's the Pearl and this clock going off. Hope you enjoyed.